Hello, I'm Dr. Abdelhakim El Gheriani, consultant orthodontist, diplomate in the American Board of Orthodontics, and I'd like to welcome you to our upcoming Aligner Skills course on the 2nd of December. This course will be held at the CAP Training Institute, which meets all of the safety requirements for COVID. And in this course, we're going to spend a full day. It's a universal Aligner Skills course. So in this day, we're going to learn about the basics of aligners. We're going to go into some of the more advanced techniques using aligners. And more importantly, there's going to be a significant hands-on component. This hands-on component will look at photography and how to take good photos for your patients. We're going to be using the intraoral scanners. We're going to be having them from Dentsply Sirona, the Prime Scan, and the OmniCam. We will also be doing the training how to place attachments, how to place power arms. There's a whole section on interproximal reduction where we'll be using the high speed or the friction type burrs, using the Sheridan method, the ARS, and also the oscillating handpieces. We're going to be placing buttons on the teeth as part of an adjunct for the aligner treatment. We're also going to be placing, using the aligner modification pliers. We're going to be placing Pontics. So it's really a full day packed with many things that are going to be useful and bring your aligner treatment to your patients to the next level. For more information, you can contact CAP. We hope to see you there. Take care.